Start. The Jharkhand High Court on Tuesday issued a directive to the Hemant Soren-led government to identify illegal immigrants from Bangladesh residing in the Santhal Parganas region of the state. A division bench of acting Chief Justice Sujit Narayan Prasad and Justice Arun Kumar Rai passed the order while hearing the public interest litigation (PIL) plea filed by activist Daniel Danis on illegal immigration. The alleged change in demography has become a continuous issue in Jharkhand, with the opposition Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) having consistently raised the issue Bangladeshi infiltration for the past several months. Last month, Union Home Minister Amit Shah at a rally in Ranchi said that if the BJP comes to power, it will issue a white paper on demography. The court has asked the government to initiate a comprehensive campaign to distinguish between the original residents and illegal immigrants in the area. The bench instructed that essential documents such as ration cards, Aadhaar cards, and voter ID cards should be issued only after thorough verification of required documents. Illegal immigrants was described by the bench as a dangerous proposition and a matter of significant concern for both the state and the central governments. It expressed urgency in addressing the issue to prevent any further demographic and social imbalance. During the hearing, the petitioner, Mr. Danis, claimed that illegal immigrants have settled across 6 districts within the Santhal Parganas, Devghar, Dumka, Sahibganj, Pakur, Goda, and Jamtara. He presented statistics suggesting a significant demographic shift over several decades, with the tribal population percentage going down from 44.67% in 1951 to 28.11% in 2011, while the minority communities percentage increased from 9.44% to 22.73% during the same period. The court fixed August 22 as the next date for hearing in the case. BJP leader and Goda MP Nishikant Dubey said that the Santhal Pargana Tenancy Act is being openly violated and Bangladeshi infiltrators are taking advantage of this. If BJP reforms the government in Jharkhand, then the illegal occupation of tribal land will end. Bangladeshi intruders are taking advantage of the silence of the government. Today, the situation has become such that the land of the tribal population is being taken and their families are being attacked. Women are being beaten up and no action is taken over.